Hello everyone, this is Nida from Taiko. We are a manufacturer for LiFePO4 Battery specialized in solar energy systems for 21 years and verified by ISO 9001. Today, I want to recommend a hot ceiling battery in our store. Look at this model. This is rack mount battery, and the normal voltage is 51.2 voltage. Because we use graded prismatic cell to do so, the cycle life is more than 6,000 cycles, and the warranty time is 5 years. Uh, it with a powerful function with RS485 and RS232, and LCD screen and the communication. It will test it lots of time before the shipment. For example, the measurement and the resistance. If you want to know more details about this model, you can send a message to me. I will give you the specification. Bye.